What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. And on today's episode, it's really quick. It's actually a little quick tip or a little quick episode here to show you guys how to check your tire depth with a tire depth gauge checker. Now, I will link these in the description below for y'all if you're interested in picking one up. They're really useful and they're really cool. Now, the usage of this is to really help you guys determine whether or not your tires need to be rotated. It also lets you check the gauge and it also lets you check the depth of them to see if maybe it's possible that you might need some new tires. So let's see how to do this now. So what you want to do is take your tread depth gauge and put it in the tire, in the center of the tire's tread, right over here. Boom. And you press it flush, and then you read the gauge. So this one is reading 12:30 seconds. Now you want to check all four tires, and you want to read them by the 30 seconds, because that's how we check tires here. So this one is a 12:30 seconds. What you would like to do also is you can go throughout each of the treads, just to make sure that it's 12. So it's 12 all around. This tire is wearing evenly. It's perfect. Now sometimes you may end up seeing like uneven wear in the tire, maybe on this side or this side. That means you have an alignment issue. Something's not right. You want to go get that checked out. But if it's even right across, tire's good. So let's check this one as well. 12. Now let's check the backs. Now when you check the backs, this is going to determine if you need to rotate these tires. And let us see. So this is 12. And 12. So these tires are all even all around. Now what I can do is actually rotate the backs to the fronts, and the fronts to the backs. That way they have even wear for the next time it's going to do an oil change. Or I can leave them until the next oil change and then rotate them and then have it go on for 2 more oil changes after. It really depends. Now, if the fronts were like a 10 and the backs were a 12, obviously I want the greater depth in front and the lower depths in the back. Doing this helps prevent you from changing tires too soon, and it'll give you even tire wear throughout the entire vehicle. Now, usually a lot of people, when they go to shops, they never rotate their tires. And then they end up having to get 2 new front tires. And then they have 2 new front tires, and they're running on that, leaving the back tires on. And when the back tires are on, they're just going to wear down until they go bald. And they'll change those 2 and then change them again in another 2. I don't like changing them like that. I usually like changing all 4 at the same time. So I always rotate my tires every oil change. That way they have even wear. And when I'm going into the shop, I can change all 4 one time. So I got brand new shoes on my car. And that's really it, guys. So it's really simple like that. Like I said, I will leave the tire depth gauge in the description below for y'all if you guys are interested in picking one up. If you liked this quick tip video, please make sure you leave a like in this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what you think about rotating tires often. Do you guys rotate all 4? Do you guys just leave them like I said and then only change 2 at a time? How do you guys do it? I'm very interested in hearing. And also, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see y'all for the next video. Peace out, guys.